guys, so I am headed out to the van. I'm doing another, well, I'm putting it back together. I cleaned it out. I have videos up. I just drank my water. I already have videos of me cleaning it out, so I didn't want to do that over and over again. So you can check back at the videos where I've taken it apart, cleaned it out after my trips or whatever. Recently I took stuff out of it and cleaned it. I think I have part of that. I didn't finish that video, so now I'm putting it back together, and I started putting it back together, and again, classic me, didn't pick up my phone camera and record. So I've got it partly put back together, but I will share the rest of the getting it back together and ready for another camping trip coming up in a couple weeks. 4th of July, going camping with family. So I don't know how much of that I'll be able to film, but I'm going to try to film whatever I can and share that with my viewers. Hopefully you're all subscribers by now. I know that you're not, because the analytics tell me that I have more viewers than subscribers. So I really appreciate you viewing my channel. If you're enjoying it, please, if you could subscribe, it would really help boost my morale. I'd love for it to make money for me, but that's a long time away, considering I only have a little over 1,000 subscribers, and it's been a few years. I haven't been that attached to that, so I'm not glamming it up or making fancy videos, because I have chronic pain and fibromyalgia. If you watched any of my videos where I've talked about that, it's just too much for me to do. So what I am trying to do, at least, is keep my morale up for keeping my channel going, if nothing else. So if you could help by subscribing, hitting the like button, maybe letting the video play through if you're not, I don't know. I know a few people do that for me, so I appreciate that. And to my subscribers, thank you for sticking with me. I've lost a few. So I hope you will watch this video all the way through, see what I'm doing to the van this time around. Basically putting it back together from how I set it up in the last video, but there'll be some tweaks and it'll be nice and clean and refreshed. And if you haven't been watching my other videos, you have a chance to see what I'm doing and how I set it up. And I'm doing it with a flare-up going on. It's hard to get a whole bandage for what's going on with my foot. I need something that goes all the way to my toes. This other sleeve thing keeps rolling back, and it's the smallest I can get. The last one I had was too small. So yeah, I'm a bit challenged in finding a brace of some kind that really helps relieve the pain. So I put lots of pain cream and bandage the places where this sleeve doesn't reach. Anyway, so I'm about to go slowly put my band back together. I have to wiggle my foot into here very carefully because it hurts. So wish me luck. I only can do a little bit every day because, yeah, I'm not doing too good these days, but I'm trying to hang in there and keep life going. is how I have it so far. I got the kitchen back in. Gotta put the water supply back in here. We gotta put all my dishes and things back in. All my clothes and stuff. So I have the shelves in. Won't focus. So we're gonna do a little tweaking in here today. Okay, there's what I'm calling the pile of crap. So all that stuff has to come back in here and be organized again. And there's much more, but my shed's over there, and there's a lot more to bring back in. I'm kind of going through it to see if maybe there's things I don't really need. I'm sure there are. I'm going to start with these. These are moisture control packets. They're good and dried out, so we're going to use them again. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see. I'm going to put the clothes away in their little respective places. So I'm going to move these over here. I'll turn the camera around when I start putting them away. I had to go very carefully and slowly. I have to rehang this up here. So I'm going to put that there. Okay, that's all the clothes. All right, so the heavier things are going to go on the bottom. Hard to do this without getting in the way, but I kind of don't like this facing this way because it's harder to access. I don't know if I should turn it around. I guess I could. All right. Okay, that's more than I was planning on doing. I'm going to turn this. Yep. I can turn this. Oh, got it really well anchored down here. Okay. So now wrap them together. Okay. Now I can put these into here. Actually, I'm going to put this one on the bottom underneath. There. I don't know if you can see down there. See, I put that down there. There's all my pants and sweaters. Well, there's more sweaters. All right. Long sleeve shirts and a lighter sweater. Go there. There we go. down so they don't fall out. I have more bungee cords for these so things don't fall out. Bathing suits and stuff, and since it's summer, this is kitchen. I'll put this here. And these are like extra bras and stuff, which I don't normally really need, but so they'll go in the back there. I bought these. These are like those legging things for winter, so I'm not going to need these, so I'm going to put them underneath there. And then here's pajamas and things, so I'm going to put those here. It'll be easy to grab. And then, okay, that's it for the clothes that go in here for right now. Now we're gonna go, I brought this in because I noticed last time I needed to lift up this end. This is an extra piece of the carpet that I have down there. I thought about putting it over there, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna have other things over there. And this helps prop up the kitchen right there. Okay, so I put this down here. I'm having camera issues again. This time it's tripod or camera clip issues. So, trying to fix that too. Alright, so I got the thing under there. Now we're gonna try to put this back. This creates a little more shade in my side window. Okay, now I'm working on stuff up here. I gotta fix this. This little things to repair. I like these, but they're kind of difficult to deal with. There we go. All right, so now I need to hook up my raincoat in case that is needed. So I like to put that over here by the door on my hook here. So I can grab this if I need it. I do wish the hook was shorter though. In there, we go. And now I'm putting some things away down here. There. This needs to go here for the toilet. Okay, so that's that. My extra bungee cord, which I don't need yet, but I will be needing those. So that is what we have done so far. This can go under here. And we need to do a little inventory. So it looks like we still have, I know you can't see too well in there, but this is my cabinet where I keep coffees, snacks, teas and drink mixes, extra bags and things. And oh, I forgot those were in there. These are my xylitol mints, a little strainer, extra bags. So this tells me that I do not need anything in here. I don't need coffee, or I might want some different tea, but I think this will be okay. I have to use that up. Okay, so there's my, like, this would be like in place of kitchen drawers. Extra foil and stuff. But I do need to get this loaded up with food. And this is where my laundry stuff will go, and I have to reattach these. Oh, so I was gonna put this in here. And this can go in here. Okay, let's go check on the dogs. I don't like to leave them inside too long. Oh, am I going to be able to? Oh, there we go. Okay. Very carefully. Oh, see, my tape is rolled up. Darn it, it doesn't work. I messed up my foot tape. Okay. Whew. Let's go check on the puppers. Oh, we gotta keep this open. It gets so hot in here. Here. Check on the doggies. Take a little break. Hey, puppies. You go outside? Okay. So I have my lemon water drink. It's actually electrolytes, so it helped me with the heat.